Hello everyone and warm welcome back to my channel. Today I want to quickly share with you how you can make the best banana Abele was. Okay, so banana ice cream. Ooh, you know, the one that when you bite, it's not icy, it's nice and creamy. Stay with me and I'll show you how to always get your Ghana ice cream Abele was like that. So to get your Abele oils or your ice cream, as I said, creamy, you need a thickener, right? So one of the best thickness in the ice cream world is custard. So today I'm going to show you how you can use powdered custard to add to your ice cream ingredients to make it very nice and creamy. So first of all, we're just making a normal custard. Follow the instructions, okay? You don't have to follow what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, it will definitely work, but then follow the instructions on your custard pack. If you can get already made custard, you can use that as well. So once this custard is made, I'm just going to scoop about a few tablespoons to add to our ingredients. At this point, my custard was becoming abaletic, so I needed to add some water, okay? It was becoming lumpy, that's what I mean. Just say, yeah, abaletic, brofo. Ignore me. Why? So, yeah, I added up some more water. Just keep, if you're having this problem, don't worry, add more water. The thing is, even if it's lumpy, you're going to pass all your ingredients through a sieve. So it will strain it and it will become nice and smooth. So my custard is ready. Let's put the rest of the ingredients together. So I have my banana. I'll put all the measurements for you to use later. Sugar, milk powder, some lemon. So the lemon is because we're using the fresh banana, and then the custard. Okay, it's going to thicken our mixture for us nicely. I'm adding some condensed milk, right? And then we'll blend it, mix everything together, and then we'll move it from here. Today, I'm going to be using evaporated milk to make our ice cream very creamy. You need just a little bit of water to help this blend. You could just use some of the evaporated milk if you want, but a little bit of water is needed. Otherwise, your thing will become very concentrated because it is a lolly thingy, right? So here is my evaporated milk. I'm going to use the whole can. As I said, I will give you all the measurements. And here, I pop my evaporated milk in the freezer. So it was near freezing. That's why you see it in a lumpy state like that. Pop it in the freezer. I saw this trick. Where did I see it? At Yummy Cash's channel. Yummy Cash's. Hey, bro, can be some ways to be sometimes. So Yummy Cash's. Just a possessive, you know. So I did was just to whisk some air into the evaporated milk to become nice, fluffy. Okay, then I'm adding my mixture of banana, the one we blended, you know. You see, we are passing it through the sieve. So all the custard, any lumps in the custard will go through here. And the seeds from the banana also, you see, all in the sieve. So, yeah, and this is the best consistency. Please, this point, do not, I'm going to put a big do not do the next step, what I'm about to do. I don't know why I did that. I tasted it, it was perfect. But for some reason, I just put my blender back in, my mixer back in to mix it, and the mixture became a bit watery. Don't do that. Do not do what I'm doing now. Please, okay? Leave it as it is when you mix it and just pour it into your cups and then freeze it. I'm sure it altered the outcome of my ice cream by making it a bit loose. But then it was still nice and creamy. There was no icy strings in my Abele also, or my ice cream. Oh yeah, my ice creams. I don't know if not Ghana ice cream. So yeah, you just divide it into your containers and then you put some sticks in it, freeze it, and then your ice cream is ready. Very nice. So I was just trying to take the bubbles out. I caused the bubbles. There was no need for me to do what I did. Very annoying, but sometimes it's like that. I overdo things all the time. So yeah, that is our Abele walls done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give it a try. And I'm going to be bringing you a couple more videos of ice cream like this before the year ends. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.